guys, today we are making an unboxing video of Philips REMstar Auto CPAP machine. This is a carrying case of the device. Here you see this is a tubing, standard tubing of 22 mm. User manual. These are the filters for the device. This one is an air filter and this one is a pollen filter. And this is the power cord. And here you see there's a power adapter. And here the device itself. This is the display screen. This is a rotating knob and a ramp button in the front. In the side you see this is where you connect your tubing. Behind you see there is an SD card. This is where you connect your power supply and a filter. This is the air filter. And this is where you find information on your device about the serial number. So guys, here it is. The box would contain a tubing, filter, the device itself with a power adapter, a power cord and user manual with a carrying case. Thank you.